Hey, beauties! Welcome back to CraveWell Network. Happy 2026. If you're scrolling TikTok or Instagram right now, you've probably noticed one thing. The bob haircut is absolutely everywhere. From runways to red carpets, everyone's chopping their locks and going for this chic, effortless vibe. And trust me, it's not going anywhere this year. Experts are calling 2026 the ultimate year of the bob. Why is it blowing up so much? First, it's super low maintenance, perfect for busy girls who want to look polished without spending hours styling. Second, it's incredibly versatile, works on straight, wavy, curly hair, all face shapes, and gives that instant face framing glow up. Plus, celebs like Halle Bieber, Sydney Sweeney, and even classics like Victoria Beckham are bringing back iconic versions that feel fresh and modern. Today, we're breaking down the hottest bob variations for 2026, Celeb Inspo, who they suit best, and easy-at-home styling hacks so you can rock this trend confidently. Let's dive in, starting with the classic blunt bob. This is the sharp, one-length cut that hits right at the jawline. It's all about that clean, structured look with super glossy ends. Think ultra-polished and sophisticated. This one's perfect for oval or heart-shaped faces because it highlights your cheekbones. Celeb Crush. Hailey Bieber's sleek blunt bob is giving major boss energy right now. Next, the French bob. Oh, this is the effortless Parisian vibe we all want. It's chin length with soft, minimal layers and often paired with micro bangs or curtain fringes. It's grown out and airy for 2026, so it looks naturally chic, even air-dried. Great for round or square faces as it softens the jaw. Spotted on so many models this season, it's timeless yet trendy. Then there's the textured or shaggy bob. If you want movement and volume, this is it. Choppy layers, flipped ends, and that lived-in beachy feel. It's amazing for fine hair because it adds body without looking flat. Sydney Sweeney has been rocking a soft, shaggy version that's pure perfection. This works on almost every face shape and hair type, straight or curly. For the bold girls, try the micro bob, super short, hitting mid-cheek or jaw with sharp edges. It's edgy and highlights your features like crazy. Ideal for petite faces or anyone wanting a statement look. It's huge on runways this year, and celebs are dipping into micro versions for that high fashion edge. Don't forget the box bob, structured and blunt with subtle inward curves. It's minimal yet dramatic and holds its shape so well. Perfect if you love a clean silhouette. This one's trending for its versatility, sleek one day, bent the next. And if you're not ready to go too short, the lob, long bob with flipped ends is your non-committal bestie. Just above shoulders, tousled and flipped out, Hailey Bieber just debuted a relaxed version that's everywhere. It's forgiving and grows out beautifully. Now let's talk styling at home, because bobs are easy once you know these hacks. For a sleek look, start with damp hair, apply a heat protectant, then blow dry with a round brush for volume at the roots. Finish with a flat iron for glossy straight ends and a shine serum. Want waves? Use a curling wand on sections, alternate directions for that effortless texture, then finger comb and add texturizing spray. For curly girls, enhance your natural curls with a diffuser, scrunching curl cream, and let it air dry for bouncy volume. Pro tip, trim every 4 to 6 weeks to keep the shape fresh and use dry shampoo for second day perfection. So, which bob are you obsessed with for 2026? The blunt, French, textured, micro, box, or lob? Drop it in the comments below. I read them all. If this inspired your next chop, hit that like button, subscribe for more beauty trends, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next glow up guide. Thanks for watching, beauties. See you soon.